Hey y'all, this is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to rearrange your pages on Typedream. There are 3 things that we'll be going over: how to move pages around, how to nest pages, and how to make a page the home page. You'll find your pages directory here on the left hand side. To move pages around, you'd simply click, drag, and drop to the desired location. To nest pages, that is, having a subpage under a top level page, you would need to drag, hold over the parent page until you see it highlighted, and drop. Note that once a page is nested, its URL will automatically change, as you can see in page settings. Finally, let's say you no longer want to have the default homepage be the homepage. All you need to do is drag another page that you want to have as the homepage all the way to the top of the directory. Once it is there, you'll see a hashtag icon in front, which indicates that it is now the homepage. That's it.